Hi guys, welcome to my brand new Clean With Me video. Today I'm going to start out by struggling with this extremely heavy weighted blanket. That's okay though because I love it. I'm just tackling my regular midweek chores and I wanted to bring you along.
Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live.
If you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time here, my name is Crystal and I love to post cleaning, organization, and decorating videos. If that's something that you enjoy, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button below so you can join my awesome family.
Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
I'm still looking for some pillows and accessories for my new bedding. I just brought back out these kind of pink color ones that I had with my gray bedding for now, but hopefully I can get it all together soon.
Oh, you. I keep wishing and wishing we'll end up together, you. Oh, you. I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do.
I am just tidying up the kitchen from breakfast and I would love to know what you're up to while you're watching.
Make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no. We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
I did very minimal fall decor and I still have that up right now. I have been scoping out some Christmas items at different stores that I like, as well as watching a lot of your awesome Christmas decorate videos. They're inspiring me. I'm starting to get in the mood. I'm just not quite there yet, so I will be a little late posting my Christmas decorating video.
So sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream
new here, I clean my filter after every single load, but I like to also vacuum it every few times because the lint tends to stick to the felt part of the filter itself as well as collect inside the machine. You don't have to go this far with it, but please make sure you are cleaning off your filter regularly so it does not cause any type of fire hazard.
You tear me up, then you fix me up, all for fun. The games that you play, you're making me sway. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up.
In this Clean With Me video, I am bringing you some laundry folding motivation as well. Let me know if you guys prefer to watch laundry folding or do you like a good time lapse? Is that more satisfying? I try to do both. I know it can get a little bit monotonous, but I also know that a lot of people like to grab their laundry and fold along.
Don't think I can do this too long. And now I want you out of my head to be gone. You tear me up, then you fix me up, all for fun. You tear me up, then you fix me up, all for fun.
I wanted to talk to you guys about my office makeover part 2. Several of you have expressed excitement about seeing the finished product, and thank you so much for being so interested. I'm ready to get it done too. I hit a few snags with some things coming in. I will go more in depth about that in the video, but I have enough now that I think I can go ahead and get it wrapped up for the most part, so I will be working feverishly to get that done for you guys.
Down, down, up and down again. Games that you play, you're making me sway. The games that you play, you're making me sway. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up and down again. The things that you say, the things that make me making me gray. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up and down again. I know you have questions, I don't have answers.
I hope you all are really enjoying this video. If you are, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell, and that is how you'll get notified every single time I upload. I am much closer to my first big milestone of 1,000 subscribers than I honestly thought I would be at this point, so I am so thankful for your support. If you haven't joined the family yet, I hope you will come on board because I would love to have you.
Nothing's ever enough, even if I try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, So come on, baby, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try.
I didn't have a ton of time on this day, but I did want to tackle my nightstands because y'all, they were a hot mess. They looked so bad, I didn't even want to walk past them. Mainly my side because I'm always touching it and getting makeup on it and things like that. My husband's wasn't quite as bad, but I didn't get to my leaning mirror, but these were a must, and I'm just using my E-cloth polishing cloth with my Jaws glass cleaner. That is one of my absolute favorite duos for any type of mirror or glass surface.
Nothing's ever enough, even if I try and try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we just tried. So come on, baby.
I have a lot of fun content coming up for you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen that my husband and I went to IKEA the other day. I got a dresser, which I'm a little intimidated about putting it together, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I will be organizing my closet, which is a true disaster, so I'm very excited about that. I'll also be finishing the office, as I mentioned before, and decorating for Christmas. So make sure that notification bell is clicked so you will not miss all of these exciting uploads.
So hard, nothing's ever enough, even if I try so hard. Tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we just tried.
Thank you again for spending this time with me. It truly means everything. Please take care of yourselves and your families. I love you so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.